Alright traders, hello, and I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is your chart analysis for Thursday, the 26th of March 2020. So first off, we've got the euro against the US dollar. And what we're suggesting here, traders, is that there is a potential opportunity to get in here long. What we'd like to do is wait till price, which is currently around 109.06, as indicated by that blue dashed line. We're going to wait here and see how it interacts with this support line currently. So we've got it in place. It's respected it a couple times before. So we're going to wait and see how price interacts and wait for bullish confirmation. And again, we've mentioned this before, use sensible risk management. The markets have been very volatile and it's very important to protect your capital and use stop losses always. And we'll see how this goes. Typically, in regards to a stop loss placement, you see how it bounces, and then have the stop loss a little bit further below the low. And risk money that you're okay to lose as well. That's very important to understand. You want to be emotionally detached from the position and let it play out. What we are suggesting is a higher probability setup. So we can never guarantee anything, but price has respected this spot before. So we'll see what happens. And then we'll be taking the trade up to 109.91 as a take profit. So that is the euro US dollar buy trade idea. All right, so let's go to the New Zealand against the US dollar. And we'd like to see price move a little bit higher up to around 58.79. And we'd be taking that after bullish confirmation. And a take profit area is at 61.25. So, we're not, getting huge moves here with our ideas, but we're just suggesting points in the market where there are opportunities. If you've been following the signals, have been very profitable, high win rate. If you look at, for example, the S&P 500, and if you just played that and you have a lot of stocks, you're really in a lot of pain right now. Who knows about this bounce and if it has substance? But what we're suggesting, and the beauty of Forex, is that you're very flexible. You can get a couple of positions. You can easily go short. You have a stop loss in place as well, and we're helping the best we can make your money work for you in any market conditions as well. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube video. And we are bringing more videos out regularly. There is a link in the description section for the chat, so please feel free to get involved in that. And we do money under management. We have over $200,000 US under management as well. So this is the New Zealand US dollar buy trade idea. We've got a few more to go through. Let's get to the USD-CAD now. So the USD-CAD is a potential sell trade, and we're really looking like it could be short very soon. Price needs to get a little bit higher, just a tiny little bit higher at 142.72, and we're currently at 61, so around 15 more pips or so, guys. Again, we'll wait for bearish confirmation before entering as well, and then a potential take profit is down at 139.12 or 139 flat. But if it's still going, have a trailing exit in place, and let's see how low it can go. It could get a little bit lower. It could even get to that second line there at 137. Again, it's all dependent on what happens with the price of oil as well, because Canada is very dependent on that. So if we see a strengthening in the price of oil per barrel, we could see this really roll over. But we'll see. Things have been very chaotic everywhere. So you've got to be careful. Use proper risk management. Don't risk more than 1% per trade. And let's go to the euro yen now. So the euro yen, we're suggesting here a sell trade is imminent here. So just like the USD CAD, price is pretty much at that line. We'd like to wait for some bearish confirmation before getting in, and we'll be taking this trade down to 118.25. So that's the sell trade idea on the euro yen. And a catalyst to put into the mix here as well is that we are definitely seeing risk off sentiment still present. Gold, after it's sold off with the liquidations and margin calls in the equity markets, we're seeing gold strengthen, and we're suggesting there's definitely risk off sentiment still in place. So we're seeing the Japanese yen strengthen a little bit, and that could help this trade as well. So that is the sell trade idea on the euro yen. And let's go to the pound against the US dollar. All right, so the pound against the US dollar, what we'd like to see here So where price is currently at, it's not a point of entry. We'd like to see how it interacts with this resistance level as well, and then we'll wait and see, and we could see price trading lower. But it's, it does have an upward trajectory. So what we're saying to take that into consideration, and that we could see price go up to around 121.93. So if price breaks through 120, we could have a buy trade on our hands here, most definitely. But prominently, what we're looking at is price to move higher to 120. We'll see how it interacts with that area, because it has presented itself as a strong resistance level, and then we'll see if we can ride it out to 122 or so. So that is the trade idea on the pound against the US dollar. And guys, for now, that's it. Again, please leave any questions that you have or comments in the comment section below. Like, subscribe. If you didn't like it, please give your feedback as well. That's fine if you didn't like the video, but please, if you want more, hit the notification bell so you get notified by YouTube when the next video is out. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.